Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is May 23rd, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Palantir closed down 7 cents, 0.87%, closed at 801. Let's look at what this looks like on the chart. So we are just going sideways between 792 and 843. Anything we do between these two numbers is just noise. It's just noise, and the stock is undecided. It does not know what it wants to do. And as many other stocks, we are in a downward channel here, and we came outside of that downward channel because we were weaker, and then we gotten stronger a little bit. And now we are going sideways for a while. So it remains to be seen if when we are going to touch this resistance, if we are going to cave in again, that's a possibility, or are we just going to go sideways and go through it? That remains to be seen. Let's just be patient and wait until we see a direction so that we can decide if we want to act or not. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.